Hello everyone, it's Miss Richardson, and today I want to talk about the importance of writing every single day. I like to gather all my writing supplies and find a quiet place where I can fall into my writing. Today, to help us, I'm gathering ideas for writing. I'm making lists of favorite things that will help when I sit down to write and I have no ideas for writing. To get started today, I took a blank piece of paper and I'm folding it into eighths. So I'm going to fold it in half and then fold that half into half. And then I'm going to fold it one more time so that when I open it up, I have 8 little rectangles to use. My first rectangle I'm going to fill in with favorite people. I've made my list with people that I'm grateful for. My daughters, Alex and Abby, my husband, Mike, my sister, my parents, and my students. Next, I think I'm going to write about my favorite places. My home, my cottage. I could tell lots of stories about my cottage. School. Right now I'm missing school at Strathmillan, so I could do lots of writing about that. I could expand on some stories. And of course, the beach. And I am dreaming about spending time on the beach. Now I'm thinking about favorite seasons. Autumn would have to be my favorite season, or fall, because of the leaves, I think. And summer, because I can spend lots of time on the beach. Now, maybe pause the video and think of some of your favorite things.